Good morning everyone. So my car is having a problem. This one is Hyundai Elantra 2013. The problem is the radio is on, but it won't get you any sound. So even if I turn on the car, so have a look. So it won't get out any sound. It's still on even if I put in radio. There's nothing on. So I'm gonna reset this one. What you can do is you can just keep pressing it for 5 seconds. There you go. So that's how you fix it. So this is one of the solution that you can do. Just get a pin of anything, and then you can just press this reset button for like 3 seconds, and then yeah, it will be done. Easy.